Hi everyone. So in our last video, we talked about the Texas state and we saw how to file the Texas state sales tax return. Today, we are going to file another state, which is New York State. But before we move, I would request all of you to do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all the latest tax information, in particular with the US sales tax information. So let's move back to the topic. You can see I have followed the same procedure what I used to follow. This is my Excel sheet, my spreadsheet. I have the customer number here, I have the customer name, then I have the city, and then I have the counties here. The counties I have, I'm pulling counties from by using VLOOKUP, and that's my spreadsheet here where I have the cities, counties, and tax rates accordingly. So going if I go here, you can see I have the document type, I have the document number, document description, and county, country, and then tax amount and tax rate, and taxable sales and non-taxable sales. So I have followed the same process. I'm consistent with my process and with the spreadsheet that I have right now. So now, before I move to the portal, I would like to mention one thing, that as we know that mostly in most cases New York is a quarterly return, but quarterly return in a sense that you have to file the return each month, but in a quarter wise, in a 1 month where the quarter ends, you have to file a return with the cities and the counties details as well. So what I mean is, so if you go on the portal, this is my portal. As you can see here, I'm going here to sales tax. One thing more for the New York, normally for other states, the quarter starts from the January and ends to the March, and the second quarter starts from the from April, then end with the June, and going forward till the December. But New York has a different quarters, so it starts. So the New York quarter is different in terms of, so like it starts from March, then goes to the May. This is the first quarter, or you can name it any quarter. Then the second quarter is from June to August, and the third quarter, or you can say, is September, then October to November, and then the fourth and the last one is from December to Feb. So this is how the quarter starts for the New York. New York has different quarters than what the other states have. Now, if you notice here, for the first quarter, the starting period is March and the end period is May. So the due date for this particular quarter is June. 20th of June, and then for this September, and then for this we have December, and then for this we have March. So this is how the New York state sales tax, or New York state has this process to file their sales tax return. So now I'm moving to the portal, and let's see how we can file this return. So on the portal you can see that I'm in my period. This is my period from March to May. The due date for March to May is the due date for the March to May will be June 20th of June 20th of 2025. But now here you can see that I have March return, then I have the April return, and then I'll have the May return. So if I go to the May return, when I will be filing this in June, it will ask me to provide the details of the counties and the cities as well. But now, right now, this is my due return. So if I click here, file return, and it went to another link here. So it's asking me, have you the responsible person information changed? No, the information is still same. I want to click no here, and I'm going, are you filing amended return? No, that's not an amending return. So if you want to file an amended return, you can file that from here. If you click yes, then you'll be able to file the amended return for any period which you wanna make correction in. I will click continue. So now you can see here. Now if you see here, there are two types of returns here on my current filing. The first one is ST809 and the second one is ST810. The ST809 is actually a form where we just need to put the sales, the taxable sales, the purchases and the total tax due. But in this file 810, that will ask you to provide the counties and the cities as well for that quarter. So in this particular period, you will only report the sales for this particular month, which is April. But when you come in here, here you will report all the sales which were happened or which you did from March to May, state wise, sorry, counties wise and city wise. So right now this is my filing. So I'm gonna click here, select. Now if you see here, it's asking me total gross sales and services. I'm going to put my total gross sales for only for the April period, not for the whole quarter. So this is my total gross sales, which is this. I have to enter it one, and you have to put that round of amount here. So I'm gonna put 139,855. 139,855. Then total taxable sales, here you can see my total taxable sales are this. And if you notice here, this is same, this is how I'm calculating my taxable sales. I'm dividing the tax amount with the tax rate, and the tax rate has been I'm pulling out the tax rate from my tax rate sheet here, and these are all the updated tax rates, by the way. So now here I will put, again you have to put the round off amount here. Total taxable sales, I will put 110,552, and then total purchases subject to tax 0, and then total sales and use tax. This is my sales and use tax 9560.44. So I'm going to click calculate now. So if you see here, this is my total tax and this is the payment amount. I will go continue, and here I have the bank information now, and I will just select the bank and then I will pay this amount. So this is how you can file the New York sales tax return. It's a very simplified, simple return. It's a monthly return. It's a simple return. But when you're gonna file the quarter return, which I'm gonna file next month, and I will try to make the video for that as well. That one is a little bit complicated. What I need to do is, like here, I have to select each city or county in my Excel sheet, and then I have to input the each information on the portal in that 810 form. So I hope this video is informative for you. If you have any questions, if you have any suggestions, uh, do rate me know in the comment box so that our learning process cannot be stopped. Thank you very much.